Have you ever wondered when did the first skyscraper grace China's skyline? The answer takes us back to the Roaring '20s, 1929 to be precise. This was the year the Shanghai mansions came to life, standing tall as the first skyscraper in China. This architectural marvel, nestled in the heart of Shanghai, was a testament to the Western influence that had woven itself into the city's fabric. Shanghai, often hailed as the Paris of the East, was undergoing a transformation, and the mansions were a symbol of this change. The building's architectural style was a blend of East and West, marrying traditional Chinese elements with Western design principles. It was an embodiment of the city's cosmopolitan spirit and a beacon of the architectural revolution on the horizon. The Shanghai mansions marked the beginning of an architectural revolution that would transform China's skyline. Fast forward to the late 20th century. China's economy was booming and so was its architectural ambition. In the heart of this growth, Shanghai was experiencing an architectural revolution. The Oriental Pearl Tower, completed in 1994, was the first to pierce the city's skyline. With its distinct spheres suspended in the air, it was a testament to the boldness of design and engineering prowess, and it quickly became a symbol of the city. Just 5 years later, the Jin Mao Tower sprung up, reaching a staggering height of 420 meters. The tower's design was a harmonious blend of traditional Chinese architecture and modern aesthetics, with its tiered pagoda-like structure and sleek glass facade. It was a marvel of engineering, boasting the world's highest hotel at the time, and it marked a significant milestone in China's architectural journey. Then came the Shanghai World Financial Center in 2008. This giant stood tall at almost half a kilometer with a unique trapezoidal aperture at the top, earning it the nickname the Bottle Opener. The building was not just about height, but also about innovation. It featured an environmentally friendly design with wind turbines generating power and a double-skin facade reducing energy consumption. It was a shining example of sustainable architecture setting new standards for skyscrapers worldwide. The construction of these modern skyscrapers was a complex dance of design, engineering, and technology. Each building pushed the boundaries of what was possible, utilizing cutting-edge technologies and innovative construction methods. These structures were more than just buildings, they were symbols of progress, pushing the envelope of design and engineering. These modern giants not only redefined China's skyline but also symbolized the country's economic rise. They were a testament to China's growing economic power and architectural ambition, paving the way for the country's Skyline Revolution. From the Oriental Pearl Tower to the Shanghai World Financial Center, each skyscraper marked a new chapter in China's architectural story, a story of innovation, ambition, and the rise of modern giants. But which building stands tallest among these giants? Enter the Shanghai Tower, currently the second tallest building in the world, and the tallest in China. This spiraling titan stretches up to the sky, reaching a staggering 2,732 feet in height. The Shanghai Tower is not just about size, though. Its twisting, asymmetrical form is a marvel of modern design, creating a unique aesthetic that sets it apart from its skyscraper siblings. But it's not just a pretty face. This design also serves a purpose, reducing wind loads on the building by a staggering 24%, making it more structurally sound and energy efficient. The height of the Shanghai Tower is more than just a number. It represents the ambition, the drive, and the daring of a nation constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in architecture. The Shanghai Tower is a testament to China's relentless pursuit of architectural excellence. So, what do these architectural marvels mean for China, and what does the future hold? These towering giants are more than just feats of engineering. They are a testament to China's economic prowess, a physical embodiment of its rapid growth and progress on a global stage. Each skyscraper, with its unique design and purpose, weaves a narrative of a nation that is unafraid to push the boundaries of modern architecture. The impact of these structures extends beyond the borders of China. They have put the country firmly on the global architectural map, drawing attention to its innovative designs and engineering capabilities. This recognition is not just aesthetic, it reflects China's increasing influence in the world, its ambition, and its commitment to growth and development. But the story doesn't end here. The skyline of China is an ever-changing canvas, with new, audacious projects being added to its architectural repertoire. The future promises even more breathtaking additions to the cityscape. Take, for instance, the upcoming Sky City in Changsha. This eco-friendly skyscraper aims to revolutionize urban living with its focus on sustainability and self-sufficiency. Then there's the Phoenix Towers in Wuhan. touted to be the world's tallest pair of towers, which will not only redefine the city's skyline but also serve as a symbol of China's commitment to green architecture. And let's not forget about the proposed Shimao Shenzhen Hong Kong International Center, which, once completed, will stand taller than any other building in China. This skyscraper aims to be more than just a towering structure. It's envisioned as a vertical city, housing offices, hotels, and even a school. These upcoming projects reflect a vision of the future, where architecture serves a purpose beyond aesthetics. They represent a commitment to sustainable urban living, to creating spaces that are not just impressive but also intelligent and eco-friendly. As China continues to soar to new architectural heights, one thing is clear: the Skyline Revolution is far from over. China's skyline is a testament to its architectural prowess and economic strength. From the humble beginnings of the first skyscraper, China's urban landscape has transformed into a breathtaking tableau of modern giants that reach for the sky. Each building, each tower, each skyscraper is a testament to the nation's journey. These structures are more than just feats of engineering. They are symbols of China's relentless pursuit of progress, markers of the nation's growth, and monuments to its ambition. They stand as a testament to the country's ability to blend tradition with innovation, creating architectural marvels that captivate the world. From the majestic Shanghai Tower to the gravity-defying Jin Mao Tower, these skyscrapers have redefined China's iconic skyline. And with future projects promising to push the boundaries even further, the story of China's skyline is far from over. From the first skyscraper to the tallest, China's skyline tells a story of a nation's ambition, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence.